His screen is visible. Yes. Screen visible आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we'll have an example on that concatenation of code. Let alpha be the root of one plus x cube. This is the polynomial over f to x. Then from this we can have field with 8 element. It is nothing but your f2 of alpha. We have constructed this field with 8 element in the field theory topic, and this f8 is a vector space over f2. So in that sense you can say 1 alpha, every polynomial or every element of f8 is linear combination of these objects. This is the basis. This is the basis of f8 over f2. This is the basis of f8 over f2. Then phi maps you should define. Consider the map phi from this f8 to f23. Both are isomorphic. Both are having 8 number of elements, so it's isomorphic. So phi of in the element of f8 we have element of the a plus alpha plus c alpha square, because every element is linear combination, which is going to be c, where abc are the coefficient of that polynomial, that are abc are the scalars from f2. So this is the homomorphism. Okay. And now the code A is defined by, it is generated by the set having only one vector. That means its dimension is 1. Alpha plus 1. You have to write the space generated by this over f8. This A is over f8. You need to discuss or first find A. Find A and its parameter. Parameters are as you can say its length is 3 and dimension is 1. Only thing is that we need to find distance. We have to find all the code words so that we can find distance. Find A and its parameter. Also find the code C. We have defined it by phi star of A. That means the every element वरती phi of alpha plus 1, phi of 1 हे calculate करायचं and find parameter of it. C and A. Okay. So first thing that you need to calculate this f8 field with 8 element. This is the basis. To find bijective map we must have from the basis image. So every vector is written, every element of f8 is a linear combination of this one alpha and alpha square. So what is image of this? It is just a triplet of f28. This vector is of f28. ABC are the scalars, they are from binary. Now A is generated by this vector, single vector, so that means its dimension is 1. We have to find how much vector will be there in A. So its dimension is 1. Definitely you can say how many vectors will be in A. I think there should be 8 vectors in A, because log of 8 over 8 will give 1, because its dimension is 1. And this A आपल्याला अगोदर फाइंड करायचा आहे आणि मग त्याचे पॅरामीटर्स. ओके. You can write side by side. the field with 8 element is constructed from this, where alpha is root of 1 plus, what is the polynomial, 1 plus x cube. So you need to find F8 element first. So alpha is element of that, alpha square is element of that, and from this 1 plus alpha cube, because alpha is root of this irrational polynomial, 1 plus alpha cube. So alpha cube is minus 1 minus alpha, since it is binary, I write alpha square as 1 plus alpha, alpha cube as because every alpha to the power I is a linear combination of 1 alpha and alpha. So what is alpha raised to 4? You can easily write it is alpha plus alpha square. Just multiply alpha cube by alpha, we get this. What is alpha raised to 5? Alpha square plus alpha cube. And you know the value of alpha cube is this. So it is 1 plus alpha square. Alpha raised to 6, it is alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube. Again put the value of this alpha cube. You get alpha to the power 6 as 1. Alpha plus alpha becomes 0. So it is just 1 plus alpha square. And what should be alpha to the power 7? You guess what is alpha to the power 7? Alpha plus alpha cube. So alpha cube is 1 plus alpha. It should be 1 always. 2 alpha becomes 0. So you have your field like this. You're writing alpha square, alpha cube as 1 plus alpha. Alpha is primitive element of that. Alpha to the power 4 is alpha plus alpha square. Alpha to the power 5 is alpha square plus alpha cube. Alpha to the power 6 is alpha to the power 5. I should write in the simplified form. So alpha raised to 5, from here it is 1 plus alpha square. Alpha to the power 6 is 1 plus alpha square, and alpha to the power 7 is 1. So this is going to your field with 8 element. This is your field with 8 element. Now you have given A. Your A is defined. It is generated by the set having one vector. What is that one? It is alpha plus 1, and next 1. Next third component is 1. So it is triplet, that is length is 3. So how one should write? So this is you are taking scalar k multiplied to this alpha plus 1 such that k is from F8, because A is a vector space over, this is vector space over F8. So all scalars should be multiplied there. So you need to compute these elements. So I am taking in the powers of alpha all elements. First element 1, k equal to 1 you are taking. Start from that k equal to 1, or start from alpha comma alpha 1 into 1. Then alpha square alpha comma alpha plus 1 into 1. And we have to calculate these calculations. Alpha cube alpha comma alpha plus 1. Alpha raised to 4 alpha comma alpha plus 1 comma 1. Alpha raised to 5 alpha comma alpha plus 1. Alpha raised to 6 alpha comma alpha plus 1 1. And alpha raised to 7, it is there is one 0 vector, that also you should keep in mind, because it is vector space. So alpha raised to 7 is 1 actually. Alpha plus 1 1. How 0 you will get? How many elements are these? These are the these are the 7 elements we have calculated. You should write 0 there, because field having 0 element. So the first I should write 0 into alpha plus 1 into 1. Now these calculations you have to find. Okay, I am write this as a first. So it is 0 0 0. Secondly, this is 1 alpha raised to 7. So it is alpha alpha plus 1, 1. Now next we need to calculate. Now from this I am writing alpha square plus alpha and alpha. Okay. Now this is of weight 0, this is of weight 3, this is of weight 3. You need to find whether there is other word of weight, what weight less than 3. Yeah. Okay. What is the next calculation? It is alpha cube plus alpha square and alpha square. You need to substitute value of alpha cube over there. या ठिकाणी अल्फा क्यूब आपल्याला ठेवायचा आहे. मी फक्त कॅल्क्युलेशन करतो. अल्फा रेस टू 4 म्हणजे इथं आपण अल्फा रेस टू 5 म्हणूयात. हे कॅल्क्युलेशन करतो मी. अल्फा रेस टू 4 इंटू अल्फा इज अल्फा रेस टू 5. अल्फा प्लस 1 इंटू अल्फा रेस टू 4 इज अल्फा रेस टू 5 प्लस अल्फा रेस टू 4. The X log table can be also applied for addition of this, or just simply put alpha raised to 5 and alpha raised to 4 there, and the last component is alpha raised to 4. Now multiply by alpha raised to 5. It is alpha to the power 6, alpha to the power 7 plus 1. Alpha raised to 6 we are going to multiply, and alpha to the power 6. Yeah, 5 multiply करते बोलते अपन. Okay, we are going to multiply by 5. So this should be alpha to the power 6 plus 1. Alpha to the power 6 plus, sorry, it's not 1, it is alpha to the power 5. Next, alpha to the power 5 will be there. Now multiply by alpha to the power 6. So alpha to the power 6 into alpha, it is alpha to the power 7. Alpha to the power 6 into alpha plus 1, it is alpha to the power 6, alpha to the power 7 plus alpha to the power 6, and next is alpha to the power 6. आणि हे दोन आपण लिहिलेत, हे 8 एलिमेंट्स आहेत. आता हे कॅल्क्युलेट केलं आपलं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. एक कोणता राहिला पहा बरं. एक एलिमेंट राहिला पहा लिहायचा कोणता तरी. हा 0 ने मल्टिप्लाय, हा 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलेला, हा अल्फा ने मल्टिप्लाय केला, हा अल्फा स्क्वेअर ने मल्टिप्लाय केला, अल्फा क्यूबचा राहिला लिहायचा, वरती लिहिला होता, हा राहिला लिहायचा. अल्फा टू द पॉवर 4 तो राहिला. सो आय शुड राईट हियर अल्फा टू द पॉवर 4, अल्फा टू द पॉवर 4 प्लस अल्फा क्यूब plus alpha cube. Now from feed element this alpha power you can substitute. For example, suppose I want last element alpha to the power 7, alpha to the power 7 plus alpha to the power 6 and alpha to the power 6. हा एलिमेंट म्हणजे कोण आपल्याला ते पाहायचं असेल तर आपण alpha to the power 7 वरती 1 म्हटलेलं आहे. alpha to the power 7 1 म्हटलेलं आहे आणि alpha to the power 6 काय? What is value of alpha to the power 6? It is 1 plus alpha square. So you get this element 1 1 plus 1 2 means 0 1 alpha square and 1 plus alpha square. Likewise you calculate all, and since its dimension is 8, you need to have 8 distinct elements. There is no repetition of the elements, so size of A is 8. Definitely size of A is 8 because log of size of A to the base 8 has to be 1. So clearly length of, how many tuples? There are 3 tuples. We are not writing in word notation, you are writing the vector notation, that is order pair notation. So length of A is 3. Dimension of A is 1 because it is generated by only one vector, so it is the basis vector for that. And what is the distance? What is the distance of A? D of A. एकापेक्षा कमी. आता हे कॅल्क्युलेट करावं लागेल तुम्हाला, कुठे जो कोऑर्डिनेट वेगळं ते पाहावं लागेल. I think its distance should be 3. The A is having distance 3. बघा बरं, आता हे कॅल्क्युलेट केल्याशिवाय कळणार नाही आपल्याला. ओके, I have calculated A, and except 0 every code word has weight 3. Except 0 every code word has weight 3. If you later on you can calculate all these. एक्सेप्ट 0 एव्हरी कोड हॅज वेट 3 आणि मिनिमम वेट त्याचं 3 आहे म्हणजे लिनियर कोडमध्ये आपण काय असतो दस ए इज 313 linear code over F8. That should you keep in mind. It's not binary. It is over F8. This is over F2 तो वेगळा अर्थ होईल त्याचा आणखी 313 is a linear code. Now you have defined new code that is concatenated code that is phi star of A. How it is defined? It is phi of A, phi of B. Okay, instead of ABC, I'll write directly here. हां आपल्याला आता हे प्रत्येक वेक्टर काढावाच लागणार आहे मला तो ए लिहावाच लागला ती इट्स बेटर टू राईट ए फर्स्ट okay this is the first vector and after multiplying 1 you get alpha plus 1 and 1 हे 0 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आणि हे 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आता बाकीचे इथं अल्फाने मल्टिप्लाय केलं असेल तर अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस अल्फा आणि अल्फा एल या ठिकाणी ठीक आहे आता अल्फा क्यूबने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर वरती पाहूयात काय होते कॅल्क्युलेशन अल्फा क्यूबने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर अल्फा क्यूब म्हणजे कोण आहे इट इज 1 प्लस अल्फा क्यूब मीन्स इट इज 1 प्लस अल्फा ठीक आहे मी डायरेक्ट लिहितो त्या ठिकाणी आणि पुढे टर्म जी आहे ती अल्फा आणि नंतर येईल अल्फा स्क्वेअर हे केव्हा ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही अल्फा क्यूबने मल्टिप्लाय करता त्यावेळेस अल्फा रेस टू 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला मिळतं अल्फा प्लस अल्फा स्क्वेअर 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वेअर आणि 1 प्लस अल्फा हे केव्हा मिळेल तुम्हाला जर अल्फा क्यूबने तुम्ही मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर अल्फा रेस टू 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर this is 0 1 alpha square alpha cube now you are going to multiply by alpha raised to 4 so it becomes alpha square plus alpha plus 1 you can write increasing order 1 plus alpha square 1 and alpha plus alpha square these calculations have been done already so you know how to calculate it 1 plus alpha square आणि शेवटचं कॅल्क्युलेशन मी तुम्हाला करून दाखवलेलं आहे the last calculation was alpha square 1 plus alpha square when you multiply by alpha to the power 6 1 alpha square 1 plus alpha square हा कुठला आला आले का 8 एलिमेंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ओके this is your A ते आपल्याला चेक करावं लागलं आता काय कसं आलं ते पाहावं लागलं लास्ट एलिमेंट आपण कशाला मल्टिप्लाय करतो पहा याला अल्फा टू द पॉवर 6 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो बहुतेक पुढे मागे झालं असेल हा आणि हा याच्यामध्ये पुढे मागे झालं असेल तर हे 8 एलिमेंट्स आहेत यू कॅन लेटर ऑन यू कॅन चेक दिस कॅल्क्युलेशन्स नाउ वी वॉन्ट टू फाइंड phi star of A concatenation of it so it is phi of 0 now don't write tuple, write word notation because the next you are going to be next what you are going to do you are writing in the word notation next phi of alpha phi of 1 plus alpha phi of 1 second word लिहिलं आपण phi of alpha square first component दूसरा component आहे phi of alpha plus alpha square आणि तिसरा आहे phi of alpha phi of 1 plus alpha phi of alpha आणि phi of alpha square आता phi of 0 आपण वरती काय एक वेक्टर एक एलिमेंट घेतला तो आपल्याला ट्रिपलेट होतं आपण वरती पाहिले बेसिस करून आपण इमेज लिहिली पाहत इथे आता नेक्स्ट कोण राहिला आहे पकडून झाला आपण 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वेअर ओके phi of alpha plus alpha square phi of 1 plus alpha square and phi of 1 plus alpha. Next phi of 1 plus alpha square म्हणजे याची इमेज काय येईल 1 1 1 येईल आणि phi of 1 याची इमेज काय येईल कॉन्स्टंट टर्म 1 आहे अल्फाचं कोएफिशियंट 0 आहे अल्फा स्क्वेअरचं कोएफिशियंट 0 आहे म्हणजे 1 0 0 येईल तर प्रत्येकाचं ट्रिपलेट होतं या ट्रिपलेट सो इट इज 6 times 9 times 0 and the last phi of alpha plus alpha square. Next code word is 1 plus alpha square. So phi of 1 plus alpha square ची इमेज त्याच्या जॉईन करा कॉन्कॅटेनेट करा phi alpha त्याला जॉईन करा 1 plus alpha. Who is there 1 plus alpha square. And the last code word phi of alpha square and phi of 1 plus alpha square. Okay. Now you know what is the phi of this a plus b alpha plus c alpha square. This is just ABC. So like that ABC values you need to find. Every time you should think in terms of a linear combination of 1 alpha and alpha square. So for phi of 0, what is the image of phi of 0? So a is 0, b is 0 and c is 0 like that. So its image is 0 0 0. So you are writing phi star of a that is c 0 0 0 next phi of 0 next phi of 0. So its length will be 9. Now next what we are going to write phi of alpha. So what is phi of alpha? You can imagine it is 0 plus 1 alpha plus 0 alpha square. So 0 1 0 like that 0 1 0. Phi of alpha is 0 1 0. What is phi of 1 plus alpha? Phi of 1 plus alpha is 1 1 0. And what is the phi of 1? Again आपण अल्फा लिहिलं phi of 1 काय असेल 1 0 0. हे पूर्ण लिहायचं पुन्हा हे phi of 1. आता phi of alpha square मी याची इमेज याच्या खालीच लिहितो अल्फा स्क्वेअरची इमेज काय येईल याच्यात कॉन्स्टंट टर्म 0 आहे अल्फाचं कोएफिशियंट 0 आहे आणि अल्फा स्क्वेअरचं टर्म 1 आहे नंतर इथं कॉन्स्टंट टर्म 0 आहे अल्फाचं कोएफिशियंट 1 आहे अल्फा स्क्वेअरचं कोएफिशियंट 1 आहे कॉन्स्टंट टर्म 0 अल्फा कोएफिशियंट 1 अल्फा स्क्वेअर कोएफिशियंट 0. सो इट इज 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 याप्रमाणे येईल आणि मी जर पुढच्याची इमेज दिली की 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Likewise, tell me the next. कोणतरी admit करून बोला. What is phi of 1 plus alpha? The constant term is 1, coefficient of alpha is 1, coefficient of alpha square is 0. Constant term is 0, coefficient of alpha is 1, alpha square is 0. Here in the alpha square, constant term and coefficient of alpha is 0. So it is the 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next code I am going to write 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now for this you can write here it is 0 1 1 alpha plus alpha square ची image 1 plus alpha square ची image काय असेल 0 okay 1 0 1 या प्रकारे असेल 1 plus alpha ची इमेज 1 plus alpha ची इमेज 1 1 0. ओके आता हे 1 plus alpha square it is 1 1 1. ओके 1 is 1 1 0 0 1 ची इमेज काय असेल 1 0 0 आणि alpha plus alpha square ची इमेज काय असेल 0 1 1. नेक्स्ट याची इमेज मी इथे लिहित होता खाली ना आता याची इमेज काय येईल 1 0 1. The image of phi alpha you are applying the function a plus b alpha plus c alpha square as ABC just finding the coefficient of 1 coefficient of alpha and coefficient of alpha square. So 1 plus alpha square has image 1 0 1 alpha has image 0 1 0 and this has image 1 1. So next code word is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 and this is going to last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is going to last 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So it is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So this is your C. This code is your C. Can you tell me the parameter of this? This is your C. So C is it is binary code word. So its length is 9. Clear. Its length is 9. What is the dimension? Its size is 8. So log of 8 to the base 2, it should be 3.
3.
So there are 3 vectors which are basis for this. And what is the distance? What is the distance? Number of non-zero code word, minimum weight path. बघा डिस्टन्स मला 4 दिसते या ठिकाणी.
4 सर.
आपला काय असावा 3 × 1 ह्या भागाची डिस्टन्स 3 आणि जो F2 8 लिहिलं त्याचा डिस्टन्स 1 होतं. 3 × 1 पेक्षा मोठा असावा, मिनिमम 3 येऊ शकतो त्या ठिकाणी, त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी जाणार. दिस इज द C. वी हॅव फाउंड C. सो इन दिस वे आपण थेरममध्ये ह्याच प्रोसिजर केल्या, आता थेरम सुद्धा बऱ्यापैकी या ठिकाणी आपल्याला क्लिअर झाला असेल. Next, the same type exercise, it will be assignment to you for the home assignment. Write down example. Let alpha be root of 1 plus x square plus x cube. Earlier it was 1 plus x cube. So definitely you must have 8 elements. The field with 8 element is written as F2 alpha, where alpha is root mentioned केले. Consider the map phi from F8 to F23. Same map by phi of F8. त्याचे basis vector काय आहेत? 1. Right, I should write A here. A into 1 plus B into alpha plus C into alpha square. 1 alpha and alpha square are the basis vectors. So its image is directly like this above. It is just ABC or order pair ABC, right? And while writing notation, you can write in the word form. So एकाची image triplet होते. F8 A दिला. Let A is defined by generated by alpha plus 1, alpha square plus 1 and 1. Same thing तर नाही नाही. Okay. Wall level तर बदललेलं समजा. A is, so A has dimension 1, distance is also 3 because all 3 are non-zero coordinates here. Over F8. This A is linear core over F8. Determine all the code words. Determine all the code words of 5 star of, okay, I should write first A and 5 star of A along with their parameters. And this type of example, you can construct many code from it. So what steps you need to follow? Just I am explaining you. You first find F8 field with 8 element, that is 0, 1, 1 power f to the power 7, then alpha, alpha square, alpha cube, alpha to the power 4, alpha to the power 5, alpha to the power 6, and alpha to the power 7 becomes 1. So this is the field with 8 element. Then you already given that 5 from F8. F8 to now F8 ला isomorphic असणारा high. This is also vector space over F2 and this is also vector space over, okay, this is F8 over F8, dimension याची 8 आहे, dimension याची 1 आहे आणि याची dimension 3 आहे. हे isomorphics येतात field with same element. दोघांमध्ये 8 element एवढा आपण isomorphic आपण त्यामध्ये define करू शकतो. Isomorphic कसं घ्यायचं, याचे basis vector घ्यायचे आपल्याला. याचे बेसिस वेक्टर म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेक्टर घेतला आपण यातला कोणताही तर तो आपल्याला अशा प्रकारे लिहिता येतो a प्लस बी अल्फा प्लस सी अल्फा स्क्वेअर. एव्हरी एलिमेंट हिअर इज रिटन लाईक दिस. सो इट गोज टू a b where this a b c are the scalar. Okay, I had 3 here, up to 3. So this 5 to this 5 you can find. So firstly find a scalar k such that a generated by alpha plus 1 should write increasing order alpha plus 1 instead of 1 plus alpha square and 1, such that k is a part of f8. म्हणजे k equal to 0, k equal to 1, k equal to alpha ह्या सगळ्या किमती घ्यायच्या, याची साईज 8 येईल. Once you find this a, and if clearly its parameter will be, what is the dimension of this f8 over? f8 over, you are taking ABC scalar from this f8 over f2. Both these vector space created over same field. Otherwise we cannot define linear transformation between them. f8 over f2 has dimension 3 and f2 3 over f2 has dimension 3. Same dimensional vector space, we can have isomorphism between them. So the scalar are taken k. This आपण जनरेटरचा आपण काय करतो, हे k काय घेतो, हे f8 मधलेच घेतो लिहिताना. कारण a हा कुठे आहे, a is a code over not f2, it is code over f8. So a is a code over f8, so that's why you have to multiply all the scalars from that f8. Then clearly 1 2 3 is the distance, 3 triplets are there. Dimension is 1 because it is generated by only one vector. And distance, after calculation you will come to know what is the distance of this. So it will be parameter of a. And what is phi star of a? You just need to calculate phi of this, phi of this, phi of this as per the definition for each code word. After calculation for each code word, and then its parameter. So phi star of a is code over f2. This is code over f2. तर इथे याचे parameters again same parameter आहे. It is 934 code. फक्त त्याच्यात फीड एलिमेंट बदलतील आणि तो तुमचा इरेड्युसिबल पॉलिनॉमियल दिला तो थोडासा वेगळा आहे या ठिकाणी. तर दिस इज फॉर युअर होम असाइनमेंट पर्पज. येईल सोडवता, अनम्यूट करून बोला. अनम्यूट करून बोला.
हो सर.
हो ठीक. Now next concept of construction of code is the subfield subcode. Subfield subcode. You can have a screenshot of this example because it is for homework assignment problem. So let us have a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of it. You want to find a and phi star a parameters where a is defined. Phi naturally, if it is not defined, you should take always phi like this. But it's mentioned in the example. And alpha is root of whom? That three things are important. Alpha is root of so and so irreducible polynomial. From that we can construct this field, that is vector space, and define homomorphism, linear transformation bijective between this f8 and f2 having same dimension. Then compute this a is generated by one vector, so its dimension is 1 and length is 3. Clear. Now we want to find phi star a, and clearly phi of this gives the triplet length, phi of this gives the triplet length, phi of this. So the length of a is, you can see length of phi star a किती असेल 9. डायमेन्शन मात्र बदलणार याची डायमेन्शन चेंज होणार आहे. डायमेन्शन काढल्यानंतर कळेल, किंवा थेरम अप्लाय केला तरी तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी सांगता येईल. अर्लियरची डायमेन्शन 1 होती आणि त्याची डायमेन्शन 3 होती, म्हणजे 1 × 3 येईल या ठिकाणी, 1 × 3. आणि डिस्टन्स मात्र काय असेल d × d एवढं, किंवा ह्याचं पॅरामीटर, पॅरामीटर्स काय आहेत पहा, 3 1 आहेत याचे पॅरामीटर्स. आणि ए चे पॅरामीटर्स 3 इज लेंथ ऑफ ए, डायमेन्शन ए ची 1 होती आणि डिस्टन्स आपल्याला 3 किंवा 3 पेक्षा जास्त येऊ शकतो. आणि यांचं प्रॉडक्ट करतोय आपण, हे लक्षात घ्या. सो in this way A is the 5-star A is code with a parameter. काय पॅरामीटर लिहित आपण 934. हां, फक्त आता डिस्टन्स इंटू डी जी काय नवीन डिस्टन्स येईल ती एवढी किंवा यापेक्षा मोठी असेल. आपले डिस्टन्स फक्त 3 न राहता इथं 4 आलेलं आहे, चालू शकतं. प्रोपॅगेशन रूल अप्लाय करून डिस्टन्स एक एकने आपण वाढू शकतो. स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला असेल तुम्ही. हा जो सबफिल्ड कोड आहे आपण इट्स बेटर टू हॅव टेकिंग नेक्स्ट क्लास. आता होणार नाही, त्याच्यावरचं एक्झाम्पल ते आपण उद्या पाहू. ह्याच्यात काही अडचण असेल कोणाला तर अनम्यूट करून विचारू शकता.